Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to validate JavaScript online. So firstly, visit this website codebeautify.org. Now here you will see some services. Find out JavaScript validator, click on it, and now enter your JavaScript here, then click on validate. So here guys you will see errors, unexpected character space, expected, and instead so find out the error here, again click on validate. So now only one error here. So this way guys you can validate your JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.